Hi, I'd just like to talk to you about adult stem cells and your pancreas. First of all, adult stem cells. These are the stem cells that are found in your very own bone marrow. These stem cells constitute your body's own repair system. And the more of these adult stem cells you have in circulation, the more repair your body can do. And the more repair your body does on a day-to-day basis, the healthier you are. So let's have a quick look at how stem cells work in your body. So every cell in your body has a limited lifespan. Some cells live for a few days, some for a few weeks or months, and some cells even live for a year or so. Now once one of these cells reaches the end of its life, a truly amazing process of renewal happens. And that is that once these cells get there to the end of its life, it sends out a signal to the bone marrow. The bone marrow then releases stem cells out into circulation, and these stem cells then float around the body, and through different chemical messengers, they're attracted to where those dying cells are. They migrate into that tissue and become brand new healthy cells of that organ or tissue in your body. So when it comes to your pancreas, the same process is true. Your pancreatic cells live for about 7 to 9 weeks, and once they come to the end of their lifespan, they send out a signal to the bone marrow. The bone marrow then releases stem cells into circulation, and those stem cells then migrate into the pancreas. They switch on the gene and they become insulin secreting pancreatic cells. So when they do this, our pancreas is able to regenerate and it's able to keep the levels of insulin at a proper level. Now, through different things like stress, either physical or emotional, through poor sleep, poor diet, too much or too little exercise, environmental toxins, emotional stress from work or at home, etc., or even the aging process itself, actually reduces the body's ability to release those stem cells. If you like, the bone marrow becomes a bit stickier, so it doesn't release the stem cells the way it should do, and therefore in the state of the pancreas, we've got pancreatic cells that are dying off that are not being replaced, and therefore the insulin factory becomes weaker and it doesn't release enough insulin to regulate your blood sugars. Now, if we're able to increase those circulating stem cells, then they can migrate to the pancreas and not only help maintain the level of pancreas function, but they can actually help with the regeneration of pancreatic tissue. And that was shown in a study that shows that bone marrow derived stem cells have demonstrated the ability to induce the renewal of the pancreas. And that was published in the Journal of Bone Marrow Transplant in August of 2002. Now, we've known that stem cells can turn into pancreatic cells for a long time, but it's only just been recently that researched plant extracts that have been published in human clinical studies have actually shown that they can support the natural release of stem cells from the bone marrow to aid the body in its own self-repair. So if you'd like to find out how you can support the release of your own stem cells through these plant extracts so that your body can help repair itself the way it should do, then please feel free to visit www.acuman.co.nz, and here you will find out more information about how stem cells and specific plant extracts can help your body to repair itself.